Hello, thank you so much for joining me here today. I really appreciate your time. I just have a few questions for you. Are you ready? I just have a few questions about your solar experience. Can you share with us who your sales manager was and how did he or she help you throughout your entire process?
Well, first off, I talked to several companies and did a lot of research on the internet, and I found that Green Home Systems was the best. And Etai Hazan was the one that I guess that walked me through it, all how the process works, how the equipment works, what it's capable of doing for however many panels you're gonna get. He did a really good job. He was our salesman. He figured everything out for me, so I would get the incentive all in 1 year instead of spreading it out. That was a great thing, and it was right on the money.
Fantastic. And why did you choose to go with Green Home Systems?
Well, out of the 4 places that I reviewed, y'all had pretty much a 4 or 5 star rating. So I talked to a few people about it before I even made a decision, and y'all were the best as far as price-wise and the type of panel I was looking for, and also the system.
Fantastic. And what kind of panel did you go with?
I'm sorry?
What's the name of the panel you went with?
It's something ED 360 EP or something like that. I'm not sure. He said it was a 360 watt panel, and he said it was one of the best panels on the market. So I just had to trust him, and so far I've been happy with it.
Great. And would you suggest any of your neighbors or friends to go with Green Home Systems as a solar option?
Yes, I would. A lot can't afford it though. But yes, I would pass it on to anybody. In fact, I have already.
Amazing. Well, thank you so much for your time. You did a wonderful job answering these questions for us today.
Thank you.